It's super easy to assemble. It comes in two parts and you just twist these right into place and tighten them, and then it's ready to go. This fan is also very safe to use because the blades are designed to stop when they come in contact with something, and that it'll automatically turn the unit off. So there's no danger of hitting your head or anything. It's got this useful handle at the top that you can use to hang it from things, and there's a little clip that you can unclip to easily get it over things. When you open this little flap, there's a USB port that you can use to charge your phone using the fan. So that's kind of nice, especially if you are in a tent and you need some power to charge your phone. And then the charging port is right there as well. It comes with a little remote, which is also nice. If you're laying in your tent, you don't have to physically get up to the top of your tent and adjust it on the actual fan. You can just use the remote. And the nice thing is that you can also set it on a timer. The true test is how well does it actually light up a tent. All right, let's see how well it does. All right, that's pretty good. So that's one strength, and that's full strength. Immediately the tent is glowing. I can see everything, and it's definitely throwing a lot of air. It's very cool. For a two-man tent, I think that this light works really well, and the fan definitely keeps it nice and cool in here. I would recommend this fan.